Dear children, in this video we are going to find out the highest pair with GCD in a given array. So children, GCD is nothing but it is SCF only, and the specification is on the screen, in which you have to define a class highest GCD pair along with these two data members, int a square bracket and size. Member functions, this is the constructor, here void input, void display, int get GCD, this is the function, and this is a recursive function to find HCF, and here this is the function in which you need to find out the pair. This get pair function returns the array type only. Now let us start. So first of all, the array is defined, its size is defined, and here import java.util.asterisk, and here static scanner ss new scanner system.n. So here first of all define the constructor, so here int n, and then size is n, and here a is new int size, and after that void display void input. So again here we are going to use a random class, so random new random, and here just receive the values to size, that is a of I is obj.next int, and here it is 50 30 suppose, and 30 plus 20. So it will take values from 20 to 50, and here void display, in which we are going to display the values like arrays dot toString. The array has been displayed. Now see the main method, in which we have got the size. So enter array size, and that is n, next int, and here just define the class GCD pair obj new highest GCD, and here value n is entered, obj.input and obj.display. Now we have to define few functions. One of the function is a recursive one, and another is suppose it is 4. Okay, it's working till now. So let us define another function, which is int GCD get GCD. So here int get GCD, this is the function, and it's a recursive function. And in this we are going to use long division method. So here the first of all, the base case, if b is 0 then return a, else return get GCD b comma a mod b. This is what the function is, and this function will return the SCF of 2. So let us see that, let us check that. So obj dot get GCD, and here I am passing 35 comma 50. So the SCF is h. Let us see if it works. So the SCF is 5, it's working, it's fine. This function is working here. So this function we have already made, and now another function we need to find out, which is for finding the highest the pair with maximum GCD. So first of all, I would like to tell you how to find out the pairs. So the return type of this function is array type, but here just I would like to first demonstrate you how to find out the pairs. So get pair, this is the name of the function, and here it will receive nothing. So in order to find out the pair, we need to define two loops, and one is from 0 to less than size, and another is from I plus 1 till it is size j plus plus, and int h is just print these values a of I plus comma plus a of j. So actually this is printing, this will generate all possible pairs. So here if we call this function, not this one, and here if we call this function obj.getPair, see what happens. Here the size of the array is suppose 7, and here these are the values. You see that these are the pairs which are being generated. Let me display the array also so that it is more clear. Suppose there are 5 elements, and now see that first of all the first pair will be 36, 31, and then 36, 22, and then 36, 49, and then 36, 36. And then consider this element 31, so 31, 22, and then 31, 49, and then 31, 36. This is what. And next is 22, 49, and 22, 36, and then 49, 36. These are the following possible pairs. So now we have to find out GCD here. So what to do? Here children, the return type, the pair with maximum. Okay, so here suppose we have here two values, first, and here we have another value which is second, and in this we will be storing the pair. So the return type of this function will, the return statement will be like this: return new int square bracket, and here I am just passing first comma second. So here this will be the returned value. So in this these two variables, first and second, we are going to store the pair, and after that here it is going to store the values in this variable AR, and first element is what? First element is AR0, and the second element is what? The second element is AR1. The second element is AR1. So here now try to find out the smallest, the pair with maximum GCD. So here we have a variable h that will return the GCD of the current pair, and here a variable p, it will hold the maximum GCD. So now pairs we are getting like this. Here h is for the current, so get GCD, this is the function, and we need to pass the pair. So the possible pair will be A of I comma A of j. And now here if h is more than p, it simply means we are going to replace the previous existing values of first and second. So how to replace? So first will be A of I and second will be A of j. So this is how we have got the highest, the pair with maximum GCD. So if h is more than p, it means this h is going to replace p, and after that this h will also replace p. So if this is the case, so ai will be the first value, aj will be the second value, and next time if it happens, we will keep on repeating this. So now just check this. Here new int, return a new int first comma second. Why this problem is unexpected return value? Okay, just see that. Okay, here the return type we need to change, that is not, it cannot be void. Now here the values are 5 and the pair with maximum GCD is 35 and 20. Here one more thing we can do, we can print the possible pairs also along with their GCD value so that we can compare. Plus with GCD is H. So let us see that. Here it is 5, then you see that now you see that here the LCM is 1, 1, 3 and 5, 45 comma 24, and here so the maximum GCD is 5 and the pair is 45 comma 20 20. So you now see the first element is 40 and second element is 20. So now it's working. So I hope you people have understood this concept. So this is how we can find out the pair, and you all know how to find out the SCF of 2 using this recursive method. So long division method. So in case any doubt, you just explore the previous videos in which I have explained. So I hope you have enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.